Morena e te whānau, ngā mihi nui kia auntie rawa ko matariki, no mai haere mai. First up, just a little housekeeping.
Everyone knows who the wharepaku is.
No, I was just going to remind you all that it is my birthday in 2 weeks, so please do think about how you might want to celebrate me.
And then Matariki, I told you this is your bed, you lie in it.
Koro. Auntie, e kōpū anau.
Pregnant?
E pai ana. Hara mai kōtiro. E pai ana.
This baby is going to ruin your life. You're still a baby yourself. You have no idea how hard this is going to be.
Look, kia tau, sis. We can work on this together, yeah? We don't have to have all the answers right now.
What do you mean, the answers? There's no answers.
Just wait. Matariki, have you talked to anyone about what your options are?
She's too young.
Do you remember what your mother said at this exact table, having the same conversation, Aroha?
She's not having this baby, full stop.
I'm having this baby, whether you like it or not.
E pai ana. Look, this whānau will support you, whatever you decide, okay? Anyway, quite excited about another moko. Hey, be good if we have a boy flavour.
Koro,